Hello everybody, today I want to show you what to do after your rice cooker has stopped working and we cannot repair it. Of course, you buy a new one, but what to do with a broken rice cooker, I will tell you now. Maybe you are thinking that throw it into the garbage, give it to the metal recycler or fill it with soil and planting, but mean that. Like you see in every rice cooker, there's a base, and this can be used for all your life. I will show you what to do. You use two wires as live and neutral. You connect it to the base. You put it on a stone or a block or brick, something that will not melt with too much of heat. Like this. Plug in. And power on. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I will put 1 drop of water on it to see that it became warm. When it starts to evaporate, that means that it become warm. You see? That means it become warm. And this can be used for life. On it you can cook everything. You can put a fryer cooker on it or a pressure cooker, anything. But never touch it when it plug in, and when it become warm, you might get electric shock or your hand get burned. Okay? Bye.